अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स, मैं हूं खुरम जंजुआ और आप देख रहे हैं मेरा चैनल खुरम जंजुआ ऑफिशियल। आज हम सेकंड ईयर के इंग्लिश बुक फेडरल बोर्ड की जो है उसके यूनिट 5 द लास्ट लीव पे डिस्कस करेंगे और आई विल डिस्कस इट्स समरी एंड द क्वेश्चन आंसर्स and hope you will like this video. And before I discuss the summary and the question answers of the last leave, subscribe my channel and click the bell icon so that you can watch my upcoming videos. The last leaf जो है जी, ये स्टोरी है ओ हेनरी की। ओ हेनरी एक अमेरिकन राइटर है जिसने काफ़ी सारी सेंटिमेंटल शॉर्ट स्टोरीज़ लिखी हैं, जिसमें एक स्टोरी है गिफ्ट ऑफ मजाए। Most of his stories are based on social issues and domestic families issues, social issues, relationship among friends. So these stories were very thought-provoking. So in the last leave, the story revolves around the two friends, Sue and Joshi. Both are painters and they are living in the Greenwich village in United States of America. The last leave gives us a lesson that negativity often takes us toward destructions. If we think negatively, we will not be able to achieve our destination. So no medicine in the world can give you health if you think that you will not recover. तो जब तक आप ये ठान न लें कि मैं ठीक हो जाऊंगा, तो अब तक आप ठीक नहीं होंगे। आपकी मेडिसिन का भी इफ़ेक्ट उस वक्त तक नहीं होगा जब तक आप ये कंसिडर ना करें कि मैं ठीक हो जाऊंगा। अब स्टोरी जो है उसमें आगे सिचुएशन एक आती है कि जो जोशी है, जो सू की फ्रेंड है, उसको नमूनिया जो है उसका अटैक हो जाता है। और जब नमूनिया का अटैक होता है तो वो बड़ी पैसिमिस्टिक थॉट में आती है और वो कहती है जी कि मैं अब नहीं बचूंगी क्योंकि मेरे जीने की तमाम उम्मीदें ख़त्म हो चुकी हैं। सू एक बड़ी अच्छी दोस्त का किरदार अदा करती है। वो उसके लिए खाना लेके आती है और उसको बड़ा हौसला देती है कि तुम्हें जीना है और हमने अपने टारगेट को अचीव करना है। लेकिन जोशी जो है वो शी suffers in anxiety and pessimism. Pessimistic is the one who thinks that there will not be a light, who thinks that the sun will not rise. So जोशी जो है वो इस ख्याल में जो है वो सफ़र कर रही होती है जी कि मैं बहुत जल्द जो है वो इस दुनिया को छोड़ दूंगी। और वो अपनी लाइफ को एसोसिएट करती है आइवी लीव के साथ, जो उसकी विंडो के साथ एक बार पेड़ के ऊपर एक दरख्त होता है आइवी लीव का, क्रीपर का। और वो कहती है कि जब उसके पत्ते गिरते जाएंगे उसकी ज़िंदगी कम होती जाएगी। ठीक है, हिज माइंड इज़ अनहिंज्ड। वो शी इज़ सफरिंग इन द मेनिया that when the last leaf will fall, she will leave this world. So that was a very complicated thought in which she was suffering. So Sue जो है वो उसको बड़ा कंसोल करती है और बड़ा उसको समझाती है, लेकिन वो फिर एवरी डे उन लीव को काउंट करती है। एक दिन स्टोरी में टर्न आता है कि उन्हीं के अपार्टमेंट के साथ एक ओल्ड पेंटर बर्मन जो है वो वहाँ पे रह रहा होता है और वो भी बड़ा पेंटर रहता है अपनी ज़िंदगी में और वो अपनी ज़िंदगी में एक मास्टरपीस बनाना चाहता है। तो सू उसके साथ जाके डिस्कस करती है और वो कोशिश करता है कि जो जोशी की लाइफ है उसको बचाया जाए। तो वो एक मास्टरपीस बनाता है अपनी लाइफ का और उसकी विंडो के ऊपर एक आइवरी लीव ड्रॉ करता है। और जिस रात वो आइवरी लीव ड्रॉ करता है उसी रात उसकी डेथ हो जाती है। तो स्टोरी जो है वो एक एंड की तरफ आती है जब जोशी देखती है कि लास्ट लीव जो है वो अभी भी वहाँ पर मौजूद है और वो गिरा नहीं है। देन शी स्टार्ट्स थिंकिंग टुवर्ड्स द लाइफ। सो उसी रात बर्मन की डेथ हो जाती है। तो बर्मन के बारे में कहते हैं कि ही सेक्रीफाइस्ड हिज लाइफ फॉर द सेक ऑफ द जोशी। तो लेट्स टेक अप द क्वेश्चन आंसर्स ऑफ the lesson, the last leave. The first question is, what is the main theme of the story, The Last Leave? Attitude is everything, for better or worse. The way you perceive and explain the word has a powerful effect on the result you obtain. The way you think, that matters. If we think positively, the positive vibe will come to us and we will interact with the positivity. And if we think negatively, the negative vibes will come to us. Choices are, we are existing in a free will. A negative attitude is almost a guarantee that life will be more difficult and less fulfilling than it should be. Further, a pessimistic outlook will adversely affect your health, relationship and professional growth. ज़ाहिर है जब आप pessimistic thought में जाते हैं तो आपकी जो growth है सोचने की, आगे बढ़ने की, वो रुक जाती है. Life is never easy as we have our ups and downs, but the most important thing is to stay positive. This is very important. Life is a bed of thorn, it's not a bed of roses. कदम कदम पे challenges हैं, मसाइल हैं, बीमारी है, accidents हैं, हादसात से भरी हुई दुनिया है. लेकिन अगर हम positive रहेंगे तो ज़िंदगी आसान हो सकती है. The people in the world who achieve the most are the ones who are able to sacrifice. As in the story, Mr. Burman saves the life of Joshi by sacrificing his own life, but he himself has achieved his aim by making the best painting of the last leaf. Sacrifices for the noble cause never go unrewarded. Now go for the question number 2. How did Sue and Joshi become friends? Sue and Joshi lived at the top of the building with 3 floors. They had met at a restaurant on 8th Street, and there they got the opportunity to know each other. They discover that they liked the same kind of art, the same kind of food and the same kind of clothes. That shows their intimacy. They were the intimate friends. They had almost the same choice and compatibility. Therefore, they decided to live and work together. So that was their fraternal relationship between Sue and Joshi. Now we'll go for the question number 3. And that is, she has a chance if she wants to live. If people don't want to live, I can't do much for them. What do these words of the doctor about Joshi's mean? बड़े अच्छे अल्फाज हैं डॉक्टर के. वो कहता है कि क्या हो सकता है, what has a chance if she wants to live. अगर वो ज़िंदा रहना चाहती है और अगर लोग ज़िंदा नहीं रहना चाहते, मैं उनके लिए क्या कर सकता हूँ. ऑब्वियसली मैंने पहले भी कहा है कि कोई मेडिसिन असर नहीं करेगी, कोई डॉक्टर की ट्रीटमेंट असर नहीं करेगी अगर आप ज़िंदा नहीं रहना चाहते. According to the doctor, Joshi's condition was worrisome because she did not show any sign of improvement despite good treatment. He thought perhaps she had lost her will to live and no medicine could help her in the negative state of mind. The doctor said if she herself did not want to live, then medicine would not help her. ठीक है, आपने ज़िंदा रहना है तो दवाई असर करेगी. आप पॉजिटिव सोचेंगे तो आपकी दवाई असर करेगी. अगर आप ये सोच बैठे हैं कि ये जो बीमारी मुझ पे आई है ये कभी ख़त्म ही नहीं होगी, तो याद रखिएगा दुनिया का कोई डॉक्टर, दुनिया की कोई दवाई आप पर असर नहीं कर सकती. Her willingness and willpower to live could only cure her. It is patience, willpower to live that pull him through. उसकी willpower उसको ज़िंदा रखती है. Next question number 4. Why did Joshi keep asking the Sue to open the curtain? She was suffering from pneumonia and she had lost all hopes to survive. She had made up her mind that she would not survive till long. Laying on her bed, she looked out of the window. There was only the side wall of the next house and the old tree grew against the wall. Almost all the leaves had fallen from its dark branches. Joshi kept on looking at the tree and continuing the last 6 leaves. She was convinced that when the last leaf fell, she would die too. अब ये जो था ये उसकी माइंड की जो है फिक्स, हर माइंड वॉज इन ए फिक्स कंडीशन. वो इस बात पे आमादा हो चुकी थी कि आखिरी पत्ता जब गिरेगा तो वो इस दुनिया से चली जाएगी. ठीक है, तो दैट वाज ए मैनिया इन विच शी वाज सफरिंग. हर विलिंगनेस एंड विल पावर टू लिव कुड ओनली क्योर हर. ज़ाहिर लिव विलिंगनेस उसकी अगर ये है कि मैंने मरना है तो वो फिर मर जाती. लेकिन अगर वो ये सोचती, हैड शी थॉट दैट शी वुड सर्वाइव, तो शी वुड हैव सर्वाइव्ड दैट. सो it's the patient's willpower to live that pull him through. Question number 5. How was Joshi's life saved? Burman saved Joshi's life by sacrificing himself at the altar of art. The last leaf is about his extreme sacrifice that infused life in a young, depressed woman. Her falling health was more due to her state of depression than pneumonia. Burman had spent the entire stormy night painting a replica of the last leaf on the ivy creeper and had caught pneumonia as a result. The next morning, Joshi saw the leaf on the wall. Her will to live returned. Her life was saved. Go for the question number 6. What made Joshi's view change about life? How do you know it? Joshi was suffering from pneumonia and started thinking negatively about the transience of life, and she abandoned herself and lay on bed thinking about death only. She made up her mind that she would die with the fall of the last leaf. But after the stormy night of rain and wind, Sue saw that last leaf was still there. It is enough to encourage Joshi to fight for her life and get well. It changed her view about life. She said that the something has made that leaf stay there to make her realize that she was wrong in her attitudes towards life. It was quite wrong to wish to die. Now she wanted to come back to life. She decided to eat properly, to look her condition into the mirror. Then she would sit up and watch her friend cooking. Burman is a 60 years old painter. We go for question number 7. Yes, short character sketch of Mr. Burman. Burman is a 60 years old painter, and he lived on the ground floor of the house where Sue and Joshi lived. He had a lifelong dream to paint a masterpiece. Sue told him about the condition of Joshi, that she thought she would die with the fall of the last leaf. Burman thought of a plan to save Joshi. He went out in the rainy and stormy night and painted the picture of a leaf on the ivy. To see the leaf, Joshi got back her will to live. But Burman died of pneumonia because he had been out all night in the cold. Thus Burman made a supreme sacrifice of giving up his life for the sake of another person. And that is we can say the aim of life. कि अगर हमारी वजह से किसी की ज़िंदगी बच जाती है, हमारी वजह से कोई जीना शुरू कर देता है, हमारी वजह से कोई ज़िंदगी की उम्मीद जो है वो लगाना शुरू कर देता है, तो मैं समझता हूँ कि इससे बड़ी अचीवमेंट कोई नहीं है. तो बर्हमन ने जो अचीवमेंट की कि उसने अपनी लाइफ को सेक्रीफाइस किया, क्योंकि वो सारी रात सर्दी में वो पेंटिंग बनाता रहा ताकि जोशी जो है वो लास्ट लीव की फॉलिंग को ना देख सके, उसको लास्ट लीव हमेशा वहाँ पे नज़र आए. तो ही सेक्रीफाइस्ड हिज लाइफ फॉर द सेक ऑफ द लाइफ ऑफ जोशी. Describe the plot of the story. Question number 8 in your own words. The Last Leaf is a short story by O. Henry. It was published in 1907 in his collection, The Trimmed Lamb and Other Stories. और ये जो लास्ट लीव है ये उसकी कलेक्शन में से ली गई है. The Last Leaf is a story of a Joshi, a poor young woman who is critically ill due to pneumonia, and she believes that when the ivy vine on the wall outside her window would lose all its leaves, she would die too. However, her neighbor Burman, an artist, tricks her by painting a leaf on the wall. Joshi recovers. However, Burman caught pneumonia while painting the leaf. As a result, he dies. Now we'll go for the question number 9. What lesson do we get from the story The Last Leaf? The story teaches us a lesson that we should have a positive attitude towards life so that we can make our life as fruitful as possible. People with negative attitude towards life lose all interest in the world and become totally paralyzed both mentally and physically. अगर आप नेगेटिव सोचेंगे तो आप मेंटली भी पैरालाइज्ड होंगे और फिजिकली भी होंगे, दोनों तरफ से आपकी सेहत जो है वो डाउन हो जाएगी. As they think they are good for nothing, as the case of the Joshi, she thinks that her life was linked to the leaves on the ivy creeper. Such type of people create problem for other around them too. Had Joshi adopted a positive attitude, Burman would not have died. ये भी एक point है कि अगर जोशी ये सोचती कि मैं एक फ़जूल किस्म की काउंटिंग कर रही हूँ और मेरी ज़िंदगी जो है वो उन दरख्त के पत्तों के गिरने के ऊपर बेस नहीं कर रही है, तो अगर वो ये पॉजिटिव सोच लेती तो बर्मन कभी भी इस दुनिया से ना जाता. So therefore we should utilize and appreciate each and every moment in life and live life positively and meaningfully. Now the last question is, suggest an alternate ending for the last leaf. Burman braves the rain of painting a leaf on the wall, which looks so realistic that Joshi falls prey to the deception. Though Burman has an attack of pneumonia, doctors are able to save him and he becomes very famous for the leaf he painted. His dream of painting a masterpiece is fulfilled. So dear student and my loving viewers, though I have completed the question answers of the last leaf, and now it's the duty of the students to memorize these questions and try to write these questions in your own wording. जितनी आप पर्सनल प्रैक्टिस करेंगे और क्वेश्चंस को अपनी वर्डिंग में लिखने की कोशिश करेंगे, उतना ही आप एक अच्छा क्वेश्चन लिख सकेंगे. ठीक है, तो मेरा मकसद इस वीडियो को बनाना जो है वो ये नहीं है कि आप मेरी वीडियो को देखें और रट्टा लगाएं और इसको सेम वर्डिंग को लिख दें. मेरा मकसद ये है कि आप इन पॉइंट्स को अंडरस्टैंड करें एंड ट्राई टू राइट इन योर ओन वर्ड, क्योंकि सेल्फ डन इज़ वेल डन. और जैसे आपको पता है कि आई एम द follower of creativity and creativity matters a lot. Okay, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.